Hi everyone, are you ready to learn new words? Let's learn to spell May. Good job. Y, hoo-hoo. Y. May. Outstanding. Let's learn to spell off. O-F. Hoo-hoo. O-F. Off. Oops, you are doing so great. Old. O-L. Well done. D. Woohoo. O-L-D. Old. I think you are learning so perfect. Once. O-N-C-E. Woohoo. O-N-C-E. Once. Good job. Let's learn again. Open. O-P-E-N. Hooray! O-P-E-N. Open. Doing awesome. Over. O-V-E-R. Woohoo! O-V-E-R. Over. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Put. P-U. Good job. T. Hooray. P-U-T. Put. Outstanding. Round. R. Well done. O-U-N-D. Hooray. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Some. S-O-M-E. Hooray. S-O-M-E. Some. Stop. S-T-O-P. Hooray. S-T-O-P. Stop. Thank you for your time.